Okay. Hi all. So today we have a session with the how to crack the Azure Databricks Associate Engineer. I know people know a lot of requests I got from the LinkedIn and from WhatsApp messages also. So that is the reason I think we can create one video like a motivational video for everyone. So how we as a community, me, Tom, and we know there are a lot of people already cleared this exam. So I think today I'm inviting to Tom to share his experience also. Maybe if the whoever completed this exam sharing the experience, you will get better clarity rather than saying like that. I already created one video, but Tom will give you some kind of experience, how he felt and his experience, everything he will share. And definitely it's like a motivation kind of podcast. Welcome to Tom to this podcast. Tom, are you there?
Yes, Devi.
Yeah. Tom, you just give a brief introduction about yourself for the community and how you experience and how you clear the exam. So these kind of thing you can share with the community.
Okay. Thank you, Devi. First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my experience.
Yeah.
Mm, I am Tom Thomas. I am having 2.6 years of experience in the data engineering field. Recently, I have cracked the Databricks Associate Data Engineering exam. And exam is type of a typically confusing. Even though it is easy, but if we don't know the concept very well, we will not be able to crack that exam. We have to understand the concept very well. That is the thing we want to take care. And
Tom, how much time you take to adapt these kind of things, right? We already done some of the classes, but how much time? I say 3 years, around 3 years of experience, right? You whoever failed in the 6 or 7, 12 or 15 years of experience, people failed in the database exam. But how much time you take to adapt these kind of means words and scenarios and all?
okay, for the preparation of this exam, I had put around 20 to 30 days. And our community has also helped me a lot in cracking the exam. As you know, every day we are consistently practicing in the DUMS question and not the question. We are looking the documentation, going through the question, understanding the scenarios, and and we are going through the documentation and understanding the concepts very well. So it has helped me in achieving this exam. Also, I had apart from that, I had put daily about 1 hour in self preparing by revising those concepts.
Yes,
Actually,
actually, Tom every day attending. I saw when the I'm the teaching the class also. Tom was attending every day, and quick responses I can see from the Tom also because I was really surprised, right, Tom? Because every time when just few questions you missed, but everything you answered very well. So I know you self prepared also. Then Tom, what are the concept like you if you suggest for example 3 years or this much of years people how much you can allocate, okay, this topic you can go first, and this is you already cleared the first certification data fundamentals also, right?
yeah.
Mm. How much how many topic wise how we can
Okay.
allocate the time?
Okay. Before taking the exam, first we want to understand the syllabus very clear. Mm, in the syllabus, there are many, I think, five sections. And first one is about data lakehouse platform. From that section, if we can cry, I think it is comparatively easy section. And if we put some effort, we can track full mark from that section. The second one is something related to ELT with Spark SQL and Python. That is in a medium. It is medium, mm, but we can achieve mark from that section also. Third section also incremental is also medium. Incremental processing. That also, if we put some effort, we can achieve mark from that. But for me, production pipelines was a little bit difficult. The questions are we want to understand the concepts. Only if we understand only we can track that part. Then the portion syllabus is data governance, Unity catalog, and how to grant access. From that portion also we can easily grab mark.
Yes.
For me, there comparatively two parts are, if you put some effort, we can comparatively gain full marks from two sections. First part and last part, Databricks Lakehouse platform and data governance, we can achieve full mark.
Yes, the same thing. Actually, production pipeline normally we are putting effort or need some kind of more hands-on on that part. Definitely, when we're working on that production pipeline kind of thing, we will get that kind of exposure. So that is the reason I think whoever attending the session, it's like production pipeline is like a bit difficult kind of portion. It's like we are not able to mean not fully able to practice on that session because whenever deploying the code into the production, that will give an like an extra kind of thing rather than the same thing. So that is the reason Tom also mentioned same thing in our community also facing this kind of thing. This topic is some kind of portion we need to be explore more. Whoever working on this one definitely we all we me Tom also suggesting just go through the production pipeline well. And if you get a chance to work with any kind of people like who are working in the database completely like a administration kind of thing, just take a note from there also. It will definitely crack the interview. Not crack the interview like this kind of examination also. Then, Tom, you expect, for example, if someone not able to complete learning, right? What are the topic or what are the portion kind of crisp portions are there, right?
Yeah.
So, can you suggest the topics also? It will be
Yeah.
grateful for them.
Okay. We can expect a question from Magic Command. That is sure. Then about medallion architecture, like bronze layer, silver layer, gold layer, we can expect a question from that
I
part.
think five question we can expect from
Yeah.
3 to 5 question we can expect from medallion or multi-hop
and,
architecture.
and we can grab full mark from that part
Yes.
if we put some effort. And then autoloader concept. From autoloader concept, the question is sure. And then but delta light table regarding delta light table. That part. From SQL also I get some question like left join, simple left join. I got a question like that.
Union, right?
Yeah,
Union,
union, intersect,
merge,
intersect.
distinct.
Yeah.
These kind of question also we got.
Also, we get a question from that control plane and data plane. That question is
Yes,
also very sure regarding.
yes.
It is not exactly the same, but if you know the concept very well, only we can answer that question. The question is always tricky.
Every time it's like a, for example, notebook, which plane it
Yeah.
is like that, and the VM with the customer account, which plane is like that, customer account, which plane is like these kind of tricky question we are getting.
Yeah. Simply by hearting the dumps or will not help us in achieving that. We have to go through the documentation. There was an image also regarding the control plane and data plane. There was an image that we studied in our community that you have shared with us. That was
Yeah.
also really helpful. Also from the community, I got a chance to interact with the various people who are working in this Databricks, and they had also helped me a lot about understanding the concept very well.
Yes.
That's also really great for me.
So this is the team actually after if you're preparing for the interview or like a database kind of roles or something, this examination is very helpful because if you have this kind of role in your resume and your promotion also will helpful for these kind of things. So that is the reason I'm suggesting to everyone like so to take the exam and all. I think this will be really helpful, Tom. Tom, anything you want to share other than this to community also, who are looking on this podcast?
If you are willing to achieve Databricks exam, it is if you have a passion and a dedication, you can crack within 1 week to 1 week. By allocate some time to prepare for Databricks exam in your daily routine. Proper dedication will help in achieving success, and if you consistently practice, anyone can achieve. Focus on the documentation and concept. Practice with the dumps. Understand the concept. That's the point.
Yeah, I think Tom is already give the path also. And if you really want to crack this exam, this is the path. So I'm really happy, Tom, you also cleared the exam. So anyone, because Tom also have the around 3 years of experience. Whoever, its experience is not a matter, but the complete dedication and this kind of crystal clear idea about the concept will help you to crack the exam. But don't mug up the dumps and all. Tom is already
Yeah.
mentioned. Don't mug up the dumps. There's no proper dumps at all. That's not available. We just prepared almost nine dumps, like a kind of interview kind of questions we practice, and we just focus every question we just know. Then what are the background of that one? Then complete idea of the theory we learned. That was the reason. At a single stretch we can able to be 6 people at a single stretch we can able to clear the exam within 1 week of time.
Yeah.
So that is the main thing, but that is the only suggestion from my side. Also from Tom is also same thing mentioned. So don't mug up. Concept very clear. Then give more focus on like the production. That was like a confusing
Production pipeline.
production pipeline. Yes, and data governance also sometimes we just kind of issues, but don't worry. Prepare well. You can able to crack the exam. So
Try to take exam with a proper network connection. Otherwise, there will be network issues.
yes, actually, I faced the issue when I attended the interview. Not an interview, like an this examination, this exam. What happened? Like in the middle, my connection was slow, and it's long time I was waiting for the support and all. So that was the other issue I faced. So if you take the exam,
Don't be panic. Just wait for the assistance of the support.
yes,
That's,
actually, assistant will come, but it will take some
but it
time.
will, yes, for me it took around 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes. So that
Actually,
is a
since you told me about this issue, I was not panicking. I was waiting for the support by sitting calm and calm in a calm way.
Yes, actually, we just because if you suddenly lose your network connection, you will be become panic. So we need some kind of guidance and all. So it will take some time. It will take some time due to this support and all. But don't panic. You can exam very keep quiet and you can able to complete the exam very calm and mind, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Tom. Thank you for so much for spending this much of time and sharing your experience. Thank
Yes,
you. Thank you so
thank you,
much.
Devi, for your
Yeah.
dedication and support.
Yeah. Thank you so much.